I needed a reset. Took a break from trading because I was doing too many things that were pushing me further away from my goal. I have to trust my plan, my process, my results, myself, and most of all, I have to trust God. Good morning, guys. Before I get to the chart analysis and everything, I want to just talk to you guys a little bit about what happened and why I stopped posting for a little bit. Um, I didn't trade Friday, and I really took this whole weekend to really just reset my whole myself basically. Um, Thursday I did trade. Um, I lost one trade. I made that trade back and a percent. So I did a 1-to-1 at first. I lost. Did a 1-to-2. I won. And then my greed got the best of me. I saw another setup and I did a 1-to-1 and I lost. My rules are 1% a day. That's all I need. I don't need to make 3-4% a day, 2% a day. If I make it, okay, but my plan is 1-to-1. Once I hit that, I'm good. I don't need to make more. And basically I'm losing myself to my greed again. And that's my downfall. Like if something happens and I don't make this challenge, it's because my greed has gotten the best of me. So I needed to stop. I needed to stop trading. Because I don't know why it's getting so difficult right now. But I want to apologize because it was very abrupt on my end to just like stop and not give any um warning. Could have posted that video that I recorded on Thursday, but I just really wasn't feeling good at all. I was just very frustrated, and I got in my feels for a bit, threw a little pity party. But hopefully this weekend has really helped me recuperate, and I feel better, feel more relaxed, and that's it. So I hope you guys understand. But I'm happy and I'm glad to be back. I want to be back posting. I want to be back interacting with you guys in the comments. And I also want to be back trading. So let's start this day. So from what I saw, Friday was a great day with how the week ended. Let's go first to check news. All right. So no crazy news today or anything, and not tomorrow. Oh, damn! I guess all day tomorrow. Red nose. Interesting. So maybe no trading tomorrow. Wednesday no nose, or is it closed? No, it's Wednesday no nose. And then Thursday there's nose. Bet. And then Friday at 10 a.m. All right. Let's go ahead and now check this out. All right. From what I saw, from my analysis, I did a little bit of an analysis yesterday, just to kind of refresh my brain a little bit on trading. Right. I think Euro is strong. Euro seems pretty strong. But I know that the dollar is weak right now, or at least it seems that way, right? Because pound, it's not that it's strong. I mean, it's strong, but not like euro strong. Euro strong happened in everything, right? Because we see in yen. Yen is also weak-ish, but this was Friday. Friday it didn't go all the way up here like the dollar did by 9 a.m. Close, right? Also here, this is 9 a.m. close here. Well, here. So I think the pound isn't as weak. I think that for sure is an uptrend starting to form, but I feel like the euro has a lot more strength right now, and the dollar is very weak. So I'm going for buys, and I'm going back to like areas in the market, areas in the 15-minute, rather than being super like trying to be super, I don't know. Anyways, so this is gonna be my high. I'm seeing an uptrend. I saw this break of structure here, push to the upside, pull back. So this is an area of the market that's to be respected, right? Push, potentially a retest since this is a high, and maybe a continuation. See this on the 15-minute? Yeah, we're seeing hesitation here, so let's go ahead and manage this. And then we're also seeing this area being created. So we'll see. We want to see how it reacts to this level. 4 hour on EJ, also same thing. Break a structure, push to the upside. This potentially might be the pullback happening here. Like I said, yen and the dollar are gonna be different, I think. Let's mark this here. Let's mark this here. Let's go down to the 15-minute. Okay. I want to see, I don't know, something cleaner than that. And then let's go over here. It's probably a retest area, and then this area is being rejected from right here. Kind of the same as EJ, as EU, except EU is already like pushing bearish or rejecting it. So could potentially, maybe get a move from here to here. And then let's see GJ. So GJ potentially could come down here. It's rejecting here. So as of right now, yes, the market is bullish, but maybe New York might be just a pullback phase, and then Asian and London will be a push phase. But let's see how the day goes. It's 10 minutes to the new 4-hour candle. Let's see how the market reacts around these price areas. I'm gonna mark this. And I think that's it. So that's my analysis for today. Is potentially sells if that's the phase that it's in right now. It is a bullish market, so I would feel much more confident with a bullish trade, right? A buy. But we'll see how it reacts to this level or how it reacts to this level. And but I'm not seeing a lot of volume, if I'm being honest, at least not right now. I'm not seeing any volume. So once we start seeing some volume kicking in and some actual like movements, I'll update you guys on what I'm gonna be doing. All right. So I was waiting to see. So volume did start kicking in around the end of 8:45 candle. Right, you see it here. Start pushing up. Start seeing some bullish momentum. Now this area is being respected. So what am I thinking now? Same thing, right? If I'm gonna go for sales, I want to push down, pull back, red candle, and then I'll go for a sell. I'll be okay with that. But because I guess there is, it did come back to this level. Honestly, what I want to say is that I was looking for buys. This canceled my buy search because after this candle close, it should have been like a nice pullback red candle, potentially the next candle green. But from what it looks like, I mean, it really just depends, right? But it's rejecting this level or this area. And then, you know, we're seeing this on EJ also. EJ is on a downtrend, rejected it here, closed with a nice red candle. I mean, it looks like a good sell also. And then GJ, you could also go for a sell. The dollar, I don't know. I really just need to see nice structure. But as of right now, I'm not gonna be doing anything. Alright guys, I'm really liking how EJ looks. I like this double bottom formation right here. And hopefully with this, if this is a nice candle close, I'll go ahead and go for a buy. I'm seeing possibly this becoming a break of structure. And maybe we can go for like a, obviously a 1-to-1, but let's see how realistic this goal here right here is. I mean, the safe, right? I think it's safe. That might be a nice good entry. Really just depends on how this closed, but I can just I could just put this here and let myself get triggered in. But it just depends on how this closes now. We still don't know what's happening with the pound, with the dollar. I am seeing rejection to the downside though, and potentially it'll close in a nice green candle, but it really just depends. Whatever happens next. But that's what I'm looking at right now. Either this, I think this looks good because there's range. Here, I still want to kind of see this break of structure on the 4-hour this 4-hour candle break, because obviously it's a 4-hour candle. Let's see here. Yeah. It can be that, or it can even be like closer, right? It could be like this too. But we'll just see how the candle closes now. And let's see. GJ is not doing much. I mean, it's also rejecting though, which I do like that. I'll start setting up my MT4. Open up EJ. It looks good. So 1 minute. 1 minute to go. Let's see. I have to make a decision. Do I want it here or do I want it closer? Let's make sure I set this up. I mean, honestly, if I'm thinking it's gonna go here, might as well take the buy rate where it is. I'm being honest. Same stop loss right here into this area. We'll take the trade. Go for a 1-to-1. Commission is $11. So we'll make sure commission is covered or it is in that. So my entry price is 213. My profit level is 408. 146, 408. And my stop loss is 146, 02. And that's it. And I think that looks like a great trade. We got a double bottom. We're seeing a failure here. Yeah, I think that is a good trade. And I think if I was going to wait for this to trigger me in all the way here, it might as well be in profit. So, we'll see. It's a nice double bottom. Okay, everything's pushing bearish. Alright guys, so as you can see, I was able to get my 1-to-1. My bad, I had to go do some stuff, but basically this is how I won my trade. In about 30 minutes, I was able to win this trade. Honestly, it was I think the best trade out of the day so far. It's almost 11, and I was able to thankfully make some money off of that. Get my 1-to-1. I'm very happy I took that decision to make this smaller, because if I believed that it was going to go up here, then hey, might as well take advantage of it. And I would have done it like I had originally planned, I would have still been in this trade right now. And I mean, it could potentially keep going upward. I'm not saying that it won't, but it's just like now it's like I'm out. I'm stress free right now, you know? But look, I would be in drawdown right now. So thankfully it worked out. I'm hoping that I reassessed myself and I got my feelings and my stress and my anxiety like under control. And not only under control, but it really is just me trusting in God, because what happens is that once I start thinking too much about, oh, I need to do this or I need to do that and this and that, I'm basically trying to take control of my situation. And usually what happens for me is that once I try doing that, obviously taking control and putting in the work, studying this and that, but once you start stressing about it, like I need it to happen, I need it to happen, I need it to happen, what if it doesn't happen, I gotta make it happen, gotta make it happen, gotta make it happen, it's like you're not really trusting that it's gonna happen, you're just hoping that it does. And I was hoping that it did, but now I'm trusting again. I'm trusting in God. I'm trusting in my strategy. I'm trusting in myself. And I just hopefully this all like pays off. And it will, because it has to. So it will. Damn, look at that. It's looking nice. Anyways, sometimes I just stay here on the charts, just seeing how like the market reacts. Sometimes this trade I took it because I've noticed before that I could get into earlier trades. Also because this is a double bottom, right? And I usually, how I used to always take trades was if I wanted to go against the trend, I need to see a confirmation of a uptrend. And I used to always want to wait for this to happen, then this, then a buy, right? But now, and you guys hopefully saw that video, the day that I decided that, you know what, I am missing out on certain patterns, which is this double bottom. I can also get a trade like this. See this, and then see this for me. I can get a buy here because it's a double bottom in respect of this. But this is interesting. What if I would have gone for 1 to 2? Could have also done that, but I'm not gonna be doing that. I'm not gonna be doing that because my discipline with my emotions and everything have been messing me up. So I can't be taking trades like that anymore. I have to just do these trades and then that's it. Every single day. Hopefully the market is super good for the next few weeks. And hopefully I can finish this year off with a good a win, bro. A win, honestly, because I really want to just be stress free. I don't need 10%, 5% a month to pay my bills. I don't need it. I only need like 2% to pay my bills, and I'll be good. Well, 2-3% because like they take percentages out, but you get what I'm saying. Like I wouldn't need the stress of I need to hit this much, I need to hit this much. No, as long as I make 2-3% a month, I'm good. So starting next year, January, maybe February, that's when I'll take a second challenge. And that second challenge is going to be the one that will really, really like jumpstart I guess, financial journey or financial freedom. It's really going to just shift a lot of things in my life. That will, to me, be real money. This is a lot. This is money too. Don't get me wrong. I'm very grateful. I appreciate it. But I don't want to stress myself with making 10% to make this amount of money when with a different account I can, off of 1 or 2 trades, make the same amount that I'm making off of 10% with this account. So next year is going to be a great year, and I'm very excited. So this is just part of the journey. This is just the beginning, and I really just need to focus on that. Really need to focus on the fact that this is just the beginning. This is not it. This is not, oh my god, if I win this, my whole life is gonna change. Yes, it is, but it's like, that's not it. You get me? This is only a small part of our journey. Our journey is not just trading. No, it's our businesses, it's our lifestyle changing, our quality of life, our families' lives, our ideas, like actually being able to put things into practice now. This is just a way to make some money, but it's not it. It's not the only thing that I need in my life. So this is just the beginning of it. If you guys get what I'm saying, I hope I'm not just sounding crazy or rambling, but I know there's somebody that understands. And but yeah, basically this is my trade for today. I'm very grateful, and hopefully my mindset is back. I want to apologize for the abrupt decision of not like telling you guys anything and just getting away from the charts and getting away from everything. But I really needed that. Really needed it to just go back into a space where I can just recollect myself. But I'm happy to be back. And guys, please, if comment with me, talk with me. I enjoyed it. I really enjoy just seeing you guys talking, because it surprises me that people are watching. People are actually paying attention to what I'm doing and stuff. So really appreciate it. So guys, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. All right. So thank you guys.